I just typed this sentence in ChatGPT, and ChatGPT gave me a simple script. Next, open Blender and go to the scripting workspace. Click on the New button in the text editor window to create a new script. Copy the code provided in the previous answer and paste it into the text editor. Run the script by clicking on the Run Script button or pressing Alt+P while the cursor is in the text editor. When you run the script, the object should rotate 360 degrees over the specified number of frames. Replace cube with the name of the object you want to rotate. Increase your frames by adding here if you want to. I am going to create this add-on next. This script is old version, so I want to make a new version for Blender 3.4. Then copy the script. Open Notepad, and paste it. Save this script as a .py file. If any editing is necessary, you can do it. And again, save this file. Then install it as an add-on in Blender by going to Edit Preferences, Add-ons, Install and selecting the file. Then, activate the add-on by checking the checkbox next to Rotate Object in the Add-ons tab. After you activate the add-on, you can rotate any selected object by clicking on Object Rotate Object in the 3D Viewport menu. This will rotate the object 360 degrees over 300 frames. If no object is selected, an error message will be displayed.